Hello, today we're going to make some classic hummus. Okay, very simple. I've got a little mini food processor here. I've got about 30 ounces of canned garbanzo beans, chickpeas if you will. I drained them and rinsed them with cold water. Okay, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, about a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, about a 1/2 teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper. I'm going to add the juice from a 1/2 of a large lemon. Okay, so that's about 2 tablespoons of juice from a large lemon. I'm going to go ahead and add the tahini. I've got 2 tablespoons of tahini, which is ground chickpea paste. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and pulse this to knock some of this down a little bit. Only take a second. Whoops. I'm going to add about 3 or 4 cloves of fresh crushed pressed garlic. Take that pea, trying to get away. We'll go ahead and hit them again. I did save some of the water from out of the cans of chickpeas. We'll go ahead and pour a little bit of it in, try to loosen this up a little bit. Add a little bit more water, juice from the can. That seems as though that's probably the right amount. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of parsley, fresh chopped parsley. I'm going to stick it right on the top. It'll all blend in. Now it looks kind of full, but it is a little full. All blended up pretty nicely. Now we'll get this little bit stuck up there. Get him down in there. Push him down there. That to me is finished. Nice and creamy. Okay, what I'm going to do is put a little bit of olive oil on top. And a little sprinkle of paprika for color. And there you go. Quick hummus. It's absolutely delicious. I don't have to taste it. I've eaten this recipe many, many times. Enjoy. Have a good day. We'll see you next time. Thank you.